there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make these easy garlic bread pizzas in less than 10 minutes. These are so simple to make, great for the kids or just a really quick dinner night. You can pair them with salad and call it a meal. So the first thing you're going to need are a few ingredients. You're going to want to use a garlic bread like Texas toast, 8 slices, 1 cup of pizza sauce, pepperoni or any other toppings you would want on your pizza, and 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. So this is all you're going to need for this recipe. Of course, you can adapt it any way you want to use different toppings. And then we're going to go ahead and get all of our ingredients ready and preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And then you'll also want to use a large baking sheet or a cookie sheet for this recipe. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and grab that baking sheet or cooking sheet, and we're going to put all of our bread out on the baking sheet. So I like to just lay it flat. You want to lay it with the garlic side up. You can also spray the baking sheet first so that it does not stick. And after you get that on your baking sheet, you're going to go ahead and add your pizza sauce, and then you can add your shredded cheese or toppings. I like to add my toppings first, then my cheese, but it's totally up to you. So you can do cheese first, then toppings, whichever one you want. We are using pepperonis for this. That's almost always what we use for these pizzas, but you can do a variety of different things. I've also done these with Alfredo and done like a chicken Alfredo pizza, also very good. Once you get these done, you're gonna go ahead and place them in the oven for 5 to 6 minutes or until the cheese fully melts. So again, if you were gonna do Alfredo, you would use Alfredo sauce instead of the pizza sauce. So once they're done, you're gonna go ahead and carefully remove those and serve them. So they're super easy to make, ready to go in 10 minutes. You can do these in the air fryer too, which I will link to the air fryer recipe as well if you want that one. So this is how you make garlic bread pizzas. And this is a recipe we've had going in our household for at least 10 years now. So you can go ahead and find this full recipe over on mommyhatescooking.com. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you do not miss the next video. Thanks so much for tuning in today.